Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 955 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First we need to open the Garmin Connect application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the application, you should see My Day page in it. Now, tap on the menu icon to open the menu, scroll down and tap on Garmin devices. Here you should see Forerunner 955, tap on it, and on this page, look for this icon in the top right corner. Tap on it, and this should open the menu. Now tap on Remove Device, and tap on Remove to confirm. Now tap on the Settings icon, and it should redirect you to the Connected Devices menu. And here you should see your Forerunner 955 on the list of previously connected devices. If you see it, tap on the settings icon next to it, tap on Forget, and tap on Forget Device to remove it. Once it's gone, you can close the settings, and at this point, the watch is unpaired from your Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.